Ooh, that looks so cool. I may or may not have ruined my slime, I don't know. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! Guys, today I am going to be trying to fix my most ugliest slimes again, but this time it's gonna be store-bought. It's gonna be a little bit harder. So I've been doing these for what? Like, I've just been doing these, guys, and they're really fun because it's like a little makeover for the slime. And you guys seem to really like them, so I was like, you know, why don't I do another one? So guys, today we're gonna be trying to remake or give a makeover to these slimes right here. There we go. These guys are my store-bought slime smoothies. Basically, I get a bunch of store-bought slimes and I do a slime smoothie. And they just turn out like this, and I don't know about you, but I don't really like them. They're kind of ugly. This one isn't as ugly to me. Yeah, this one isn't that bad. This is my first store-bought slime smoothie, and then this is the one I just did. So I was like, why don't we just do another fix your slime smoothie, because I have these and I kind of want to fix them, so yeah. Like, but with your chin. You have to turn around and then press it with your chin. Let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Okay, guys, so first I will do this one. Ta-da! Okay, guys, so here it is. This one, yeah, those pieces are like really hard putties that I had. They didn't mix very well. And then we got these like foam pieces in it. So I have absolutely no idea what I'm gonna do with this to make it better, but we'll see. Okay, I'm thinking, because it has a cool texture, I feel like oh my god, I don't know what to do. I feel like it'll make a good texture if I add some instant snow. So I'm gonna do that and hopefully it works out. So yeah. Here's a bunch of instant snow. And we'll add some of this soft soap because I want it to be kind of, I think we'll make it like sizzly, you know? I think that's it for now. How about let's add some glitter? I want to see how that will look. Ooh, look at how cool that looks, guys. I wonder how this is gonna turn out, guys. Okay, it's working out so well, I think. What do you think, Paul?
I don't know.
Okay, thanks, Paul.
I think you need more, Ameerah.
Well, yeah, I definitely need more instant snow, but it's doing good, right? Right, Paul?
It looks different.
Okay, that's good. Different's good. Okay, well, I think I need to get some more instant snow because it needs to be more different. And yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the instant snow in the water. This is the best thing ever, guys. Watch. Oh my god, that's so cool. There's too much water. Guys, so here it is after about like 5 minutes. It's kind of like a jelly slime, which I actually really like. What do you think, Paul? You think we should change it into a jelly slime?
I think we should keep it like that. It looks nice.
But I want to change it into a jelly slime.
This is not jelly?
No. Jelly slime is more like thick, less snow.
I like it.
So I'd put water in this. Okay, guys, I decided I'm going to put a little bit more instant snow. I like it. What do you think, Paul?
Yep, looks nice.
I think it's not done yet. It still has like the snow too going, but yeah.
Well, I guess it feels nice. Doesn't look nice yet.
Okay, geez, Paul, I get it. Okay, now I feel like we should turn into like a dark midnight type deal. So, and add some more yellow. I meant blue, not yellow. That's a lot of yellow. I mean, what the heck? Can I like mix the slime without getting the food coloring all over my hands? Okay, I don't think this is enough blue, which is very weird. I expected it was, but it's not, so yeah. Yeah, it kind of looks like mermaid. It's mermaid though, guys. I'm thinking about making it more dark. What do you think, Paul? I think we should make it more dark.
You mean darker?
Well, yeah, but also it's more dark. Ooh, this looks cool, guys. Watch.
Nice.
Guys, this is crazy. This is like a complete, like, this is all store-bought slimes. This is store-bought slime smoothie. And it's kind of like, it feels exactly like a homemade slime. Like, it's crazy. All I did was add incense though. Is the color still pretty? I think so, right? It's fine. All right. I think this is good. Yes, Paul?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
All right, now we're gonna add a bunch of glitter. And iridescent glitter.
Nice.
And then this snow glitter. Whoopsies. And then this gold glitter, because I feel like it'll look cool. That was some cringy ASMR, but I kind of just want you guys to see all the glitter, you know? Trying my best here. Look how pretty that is. It's super sizzly, guys. I really like this one. Okay, I think we need some more glitter. Okay, I decided I want to add some of this shampoo. It's the 3-in-1. It seems cool. It's like gooey, so I feel like it'll make it nice and sizzly. And then we're also gonna add some more glitter on top of the shampoo. I really love this gold one. It looks so cool, doesn't it? I'm gonna put that, and then I think that's good. I wonder if the shampoo is gonna make it sizzly. Oh no, guys, it's melting it. Okay, well, hopefully it's just a little bit of melted, melting, like lotion, and hopefully it goes back to normal. Maybe it'll be super sizzly now. Okay. Oh, it's not even sizzly. It's just less doughy. I love all the glitter in it though, guys. Like, there's so much glitter and it looks so cool. I feel like we need to add a little bit more snow, so I'm just gonna add this snow. That has no water in it. Alright guys, so here's how it turned out. I think it turned out really good. I love how much the glitter show on it. It shows like a lot and it's super sizzly. Like, look at how bubbly it is, guys. So you're gonna make a bubble with it. One second, let me do it. I did it, wow. That's cool. Alright, well, I think this one is like really good. It's like the best one, I feel like, because like the texture is awesome, the color is awesome, and like it has so much glitter and it's like really pretty. I think this one is the best one. What do you think, Paul?
I think it's the best one you ever fixed before, ever.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, it is, yeah, it's really nice.
Okay, you guys comment down below what you think, or if you have a different favorite one, and let's get on to the next one. I'm gonna need some luck on that one, okay, guys? So wish me luck. We also, guys, made it bigger. Yay! It's like really big. Like before it was like this, that, even less. But now it's this. Yeah. I gotta make a swirl. I'm sorry. Look how pretty.
Nice.
Next one, we're just gonna pour a bunch of instant snow. I'm just kidding. I know instant snow is my go-to, guys, but I'm gonna try and do something better or different this time, actually. This one's actually really nice as in texture-wise. And it has these like foam beads that are actually like really cool. It kind of looks like a monster and it's got some maggots in it. They're not real, okay? I know they look very real, but they're not real, I promise. And it's just got all sorts of things. And yeah, okay, well. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put lotion, okay? That sounds good. Some lotion. And this seems to melt slime, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that. And we'll just do that for now. Let's see what happens. Hope it works. We're gonna try and make this into like a butter slime, hopefully, guys. So that's why I'm putting lotion and like shampoo in it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, this is not a good idea. Should I just put instant snow in it? Can I just put instant snow?
3 hours later.
Okay, well, I think I need to add some more lotion because it's still kind of like, it's like, it's not really stretchy, guys, because it's store-bought, so, Good. And then I'm going to add some of this soft soap. I love how jiggly soft soap is. Let's mix this together. And I'm going to add some shaving cream just because I want to. I'm making a mess all over my hands, but it's okay. It's just, it's all gonna go into slime anyways. I hope this doesn't dry out the slime. So guys, here it is. I added a little bit more of this hand soap, and then I mixed in the shaving cream, and here it is. And I think it actually has the texture of like a homemade slime, so let's check this out. Like, geez, it's pretty good, right? It's like a homemade slime.
That changed a lot, Ameerah.
Yeah, it did. I think the shaving cream also helped too. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and add the clay now. Hopefully this makes it whiter so we can make it like a different color. I'm hoping that we can make it like maybe pink, because we haven't made a pink slime yet this time. Ooh, that looks cool. So this is really hard to mix in all the clay. I don't know if it's just because of the texture of the slime, but yeah, it's really hard to. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add some more dry clay because that was not enough like at all. Okay, let's squish that into there. Hopefully, it'll turn out good. Ow, my god. Ow. Okay guys, I was squishing it like this and then like my thumb went like this and then it like kind of just squished it like that and it really hurt. Such a descriptive story, Mary. Like this, like that, and like this.
75 years later.
Okay guys, so here's how it turned out. It turned out really, really nice. Also, thanks to Paul's wonderful, fantastic kneading. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. Hashtag,
Paul.
subscribe to Paul. Okay, anyways. It actually turned out really well. I wanted to add more clay, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this because I like the texture. It's kind of like fluffy, but like kind of creamy, so I like it. It actually sounds like a homemade slime, guys. I think this one did well. The only problem, guys, is that these things, like, they go onto your hand and they start sticking. Paul, could you please give an example?
Okay, yeah.
It's hilarious, guys, but it's funny. So Paul just freaking plays with the slime and he gets, oh, really? See, this happens, but there's like a bunch, like, everywhere. It's crazy. But that's the only problem. I like it. I like the color. It looks pretty cool. I think I'm actually gonna leave it like this because it's like mint. All right, now we're gonna go add a bunch of glitter. We're gonna add this glitter. And I'm gonna add this gold glitter. I feel like that'll look cool. Will it look cool? We're gonna add iridescent instead. And let's do this. Ooh, that looks so cool. Oh no. I'm gonna try and make a bubble with this one. I don't know, it's gonna be harder, but I'll do it. Yes! Look at that bubble, guys, it's so cool! I wanna put shaving cream on it. I wonder what will happen. Okay. Ooh, that looks so cool! I may or may not have ruined my slime, I don't know. I just wanted to show this really quick, guys. While Paul was kneading it, I decided to take a little chunk and put some instant snow in it. My favorite ingredient. This is how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah? No? Okay, I'm gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna add this glitter.
Oh my god, I can't even put it.
Oh my god, Paul, I'm trying to do my ASMR.
I'm trying to get it off my hand.
I think it turned out really nice, this one. Oh my god, these foam beads. Okay. Like today's video, make sure you comment down below, #part 2 or 3 or just more.